What is haptic feedback? If your phone vibrates in your pocket to alert you of a notification, or if your game controller vibrates when your character gets hit in a video game, you've already experienced haptic feedback. In simple terms, it's the use of the sense of touch to communicate information to a user. It's a technology that recreates the sense of touch through forces, vibrations, or motions. So where is it used? Its most common application is in mobile devices. A phone's vibration is the most basic type of haptics, and on touchscreens, it's used to give the sensation of a real click when you press a virtual button, making the interaction more intuitive. Video games are another perfect example. The controller can vibrate with different intensity to simulate terrain or the impact of a crash, making the experience much more immersive. But one of the most advanced uses is in robotics and teleoperation. Haptic feedback allows a human operator to feel what a remote robot is touching. For example, a surgeon using a robot to operate from a distance can feel the resistance of tissues, giving them extraordinary precision and control. And even in virtual reality, haptic gloves allow users to feel the texture of digital objects. In short, haptic feedback enriches the user experience. It provides information that can't be conveyed with sound or sight, and by converting digital information into a physical sensation, haptics makes interacting with technology more natural, intuitive, and in many cases, safer.